Our universe is a vast and mysterious place. It's filled with wonders that never cease to amaze us. From our small planet, we can look up at the night sky and see just a tiny fraction of what's out there. Every star we see is a sun, just like our own. Many of these stars have their own planets orbiting them. The sheer scale of the universe is difficult to comprehend. Imagine a grain of sand held at arm's length. That tiny speck represents all the space we can see from Earth. Now, consider that our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains billions of stars, each potentially with its own solar system. The Milky Way itself is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy is a swirling collection of stars, gas, and dust bound together by gravity, and even within the vast emptiness of space there are wonders to be found. Black holes, for example, are regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. These mind-boggling concepts remind us that we are just beginning to scratch the surface of understanding the cosmos. Galaxies are not just scattered randomly throughout the universe. They are often found in groups called galaxy clusters. These clusters are bound together by gravity in a delicate cosmic dance. Our own local group, for instance, contains dozens of galaxies, including our Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy. Speaking of Andromeda, did you know it's on a collision course with the Milky Way? Don't worry though, this cosmic collision won't happen for billions of years. When galaxies collide, it's not a catastrophic event like you might imagine. Instead, they merge and reshape each other through gravitational interactions. Stars within these galaxies rarely collide due to the vast distances between them. Imagine two swarms of fireflies passing through each other. That's more like a galactic merger. These grand cosmic events highlight the dynamic nature of the universe. It's a place of constant motion and change where even the largest structures are engaged in a celestial ballet. Stars, the building blocks of galaxies, have life cycles that are no less fascinating than galactic mergers. They are born in giant clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These nebulae act as stellar nurseries where gravity pulls material together, eventually igniting nuclear fusion in their cores. The life and death of a star depend on its mass. Smaller stars like our Sun live for billions of years, steadily fusing hydrogen into helium. Larger stars, however, live fast and die young. They burn through their fuel quickly, often ending their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. These supernovae are some of the most energetic events in the universe. They can outshine entire galaxies for a brief period. More importantly, they scatter heavy elements forged in the star's core into space. These elements become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and even life itself. So, the next time you look up at a star, remember that you are witnessing a stage in a cosmic cycle that has been repeating for billions of years. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of the universe with his theory of general relativity. One of the most mind-bending concepts in his theory is the idea that space and time are not separate entities, but are interwoven into a fabric called spacetime. Imagine a trampoline. If you place a bowling ball in the center, it will create a dip. Similarly, massive objects like stars and planets warp the fabric of space-time around them. This warping is what we experience as gravity. The more massive the object, the greater the warp. This means that even light, which travels in a straight line, is bent as it passes by massive objects. This bending of light has been observed by astronomers and provides further evidence for Einstein's theory. Space-time is not just a static background, it can stretch, warp, and even ripple. These ripples, known as gravitational waves, were first detected in 2015, confirming another prediction of Einstein's theory. Section 5. Echoes of the Big Bang. The Big Bang Theory is our best explanation for the origin of the universe. It suggests that the universe began from an extremely hot and dense state about 13.8 billion years ago. Since then, the universe has been expanding and cooling. One of the key pieces of evidence for the Big Bang is the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint afterglow of the Big Bang permeates all of space. It's like a baby picture of the universe, taken just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Another piece of evidence is the observed redshift of distant galaxies. As the universe expands, the space between galaxies stretches, causing the light from those galaxies to stretch as well. This stretching makes the light appear redder, hence the term redshift. The Big Bang Theory doesn't tell us everything about the origin of the universe, but it provides a framework for understanding how our cosmos evolved from an incredibly simple state to the complex structure we see today. Section 6. The Quest for Cosmic Companions. Are we alone in the universe? This is a question that has captivated humans for centuries. While we haven't found definitive proof of extraterrestrial life yet, the vastness of the universe suggests that it's highly unlikely that we're alone. In recent decades, astronomers have discovered thousands of planets orbiting other stars called exoplanets. Some of these exoplanets are located in the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on their surfaces, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is an ongoing effort to detect signals from intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. Scientists use powerful radio telescopes to scan the skies for any signs of artificial transmissions. While we haven't picked up any alien messages yet, the search continues. The discovery of even microbial life elsewhere in the universe would be a profound scientific breakthrough, revolutionizing our understanding of life's place in the cosmos. Section 7. Our place in the cosmic perspective. When we contemplate the vastness of the universe and the incredible phenomena it holds, it's humbling to realize how small we are. Our planet is a tiny speck orbiting an average star in a galaxy that contains billions of stars, and yet we are a part of this universe. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the cores of stars that exploded billions of years ago. We are literally made of stardust. This cosmic perspective can be both awe-inspiring and empowering. It reminds us that we are connected to something much greater than ourselves, and that there is still so much out there to discover and explore. Section 8. An invitation to explore. The universe is an endless source of wonder and mystery. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, there is always something new to learn. So keep looking up at the stars, asking questions, and exploring the cosmos. You never know what incredible discoveries await you. The universe is calling. Will you answer?